doing national duty.
How are you, man?
Let's go and see.
My business. How are you, my brother? My secretary.
Let's move. Let's move.
That's the same thing.
I'm wearing a smaller one. You're wearing the biggest one. Very good. I read that for the lowest unemployment rate. You're even better than the sovereign. It's better than the country.
Mr. President, Mark Council.